Whether you're starting a cleaning services business or equipping your warehouse or commercial facility, we provide top-tier cleaning equipment. At Superior Procare, we don't just sell products. Our highly skilled sales team works closely with you to develop custom solutions tailored to your specific needs and budget, whether large or small, helping you save time and money in the process. For nearly 4 decades, we've been setting the standard in commercial cleaning, providing cutting-edge equipment that enhances efficiency and performance across industries. From Karcher to Nilfisk, our range of commercial vacuums, scrubbers, sweepers, steam cleaners, and autonomous machines brings advanced innovation to businesses, from small enterprises to large-scale operations in high-traffic environments. We empower businesses to clean smarter, faster, and more effectively. Clean with confidence, clean with Procare.